30th of May is the day that all the Igbos will never forget in their life, in their history. The day that Britain, that colonized us, that joined us together, send military, sponsor Nigeria government. There was a video in my phone. Sometimes when I watch this video, I will not feel fine. I saw a video during the Biafra war. Our brothers, our sisters, Igbos, they are doing heavy protests in Britain, United Kingdom, telling them they should stop sponsoring Nigeria government. They're slaughtering Igbos. Do you know what they did to our brothers and sisters there? They send their armed police, they are arresting the Igbos that are doing protests in London. God Almighty must judge the Britain. United Kingdom, God Almighty, who created heaven and earth, must judge these people for what these people did to Igbos during the Biafra war. I'm supposed to put their flag here. That is the reason why anytime I build my page, they will shut my page down. That is why I still have much small followers, because I'm not here to hide anything. The abomination that Nigeria government, that Britain that is doing, I'm not here to hide it. And my page is not monetized. Don't think that I'm on social media, on Facebook, to monetize my Facebook page. But I'm here to say the truth, that what the Britain did our ancestors, I'm not happy. And I said before that if our ancestors, if our forefathers know that Britain, that our children will suffer in this one Nigeria, they wouldn't allow Britain to join us together as one Nigeria. Our forefathers made a very big mistake. If they know that their children will die, millions of them will slaughtered during the Biafran war, our ancestors wouldn't allow Britain to join them together as one Nigeria. One Nigeria is a scam. One Nigeria is a big scam. There is nothing like one Nigeria in this country. There is nothing like one Nigeria. You are telling me one Nigeria where the Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram that are trying to conquer Nigeria? One Nigeria. Can you tell me the minimum of one Nigeria? Can you tell me the benefit that you have benefit since one Nigeria come out in this country? Tell me. Tell me any benefit have you gained since you were there for this country called one Nigeria? Tell me the benefit you have gained from this one Nigeria. Useless country colonized by Britain. Join these people together. Scatter them. And you are telling me that war have ended. As I said before in my previous video, that war has not yet ended in Nigeria. As long as I'm concerned, war has never ended in Nigeria. They are slaughtering people in Imo State right now as I'm talking to you. Governor Hope Uzodinma, the agent of Fulanis, is still sending military slaughtering innocent youth. You are telling me that war has ended. Peter Mba, the governor of Enugu State, is trying to give Fulani land in Enugu State to Luga. And you are telling me that war has ended. War never ended. 30th of May, we are remembering our brothers and sisters have been slaughtered. But I'm telling you that war never ended. The war is still on moving on. What kind of a country is this? What kind of a country is this? I'm not really happy for what I'm seeing in this country called Nigeria. They hold Nnamdi Kanu because Nnamdi Kanu talk about Biafra. But the same politicians that hold Nnamdi Kanu are sponsoring Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram. Do you want to tell me that all these Nigerian politicians, they don't know the people who they sponsor Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that have been slaughtered? Thousands of soldiers, thousands of people, Christians in Nigeria. They know everything. Not them they sponsor it. Vampires. I call Nigerian politicians vampires. I called Nigerian politicians vampires. Then they drink the blood of the people. Then they rule. The same thing to Britain. Britain is vampires. United Kingdom are vampires. They love money more than the people they colonize. Because of what they are getting in this Biafra land, that is why they still don't allow Igbos to have their freedom called Biafra. Because Britain know what they are getting from Nigeria. Useless country, born to rule, are born to serve. Igbos are born to rule, Igbos are born to serve. Fulanis also are born to rule, while others are born to serve. Because they are slaves. I said it before that Igbos are slaves in Nigeria. That is why sometimes they will pursue them after they build house in North. After they build house, buy land, open shops. Before you know what is happening, they will pursue them. Burn all their shop, take all their property, take the property that Igbos bought in that land to show you that Igbos are slaves. Tell me the difference. They will allow you to come to their state. When you come to their state, you will buy land. When you bought the land, you will build your house. All of a sudden, they will come and pursue you out from that land, and they will take it. Is it not slavery? And they will never allow you to become a president of Nigeria. They use Nanda Azikiwe to deceive us from one Nigeria. I'm not happy for what I'm saying in this country. I believe that this video will not last long. But I'm telling you the truth, that I'm not happy for what I'm seeing in this country called Nigeria. We are remember 30th of May is a day that we remember our brothers, our sisters that have been slaughtered by Nigeria government, sponsored by Britain, United Kingdom. But I'm telling you that war have never ended. War is still going on. War is still going on. Fulani herdsmen are coming in some places in the east, in Enugu State, in Ebonyi State, slaughtering innocent people that place. And you are telling me that war have ended. War never ended, yo. War never ended. If you are an Igbo man and you are saying that war have ended, war never ended in this Igbo land, yo. Fulani herdsmen and Boko Haram and they still coming to Enugu State and this thing, slaughtering innocent Igbo youth. And you are telling me that war has ended. War never ended. All these houses, Python dance 1, Python dance 2, crocodile, all these soldiers they are sending in this east, coming to Imo State, burning shops, burning some shops, they are burning people's shops in Imo State, burning their shops, burning their houses. That is war. It never ends. It's still move on in this Igbo land. Silent war is going on. So if you are here and you believe that Biafra war never ended, you don't know what you are doing. Biafra war never ended. Biafra war is still moving on till today. Even like now I'm talking to you, Biafra war is going on. That is why all the main thing is that in the Igbo, no, I'm not here to talk about that one. Let me push it to one side. Maybe under that we'll talk about it. All the Igbos, we need to wake up. We need to wake up to stand for the truth. To say no for all those things that is happening. It's the time that all the Igbos will wake up to stand. To say no for all those things that is happening to us. If you talk about Biafra, they will slaughter you. Yes. If you talk about Biafra, they will slaughter you. That is why some of the content creators are not talking about Biafra. Because when they talk it, they will lose their monetization. Their money this thing. Me, that is why my page never grow. I talk and then they shut my page down. I go open another page. That is why I know when I come on Facebook. This is one of the reasons I don't have much followers, because very soon they will shut the page down. I will open another page, start building it. You people, listen to me. All the Igbo and Igbo, when I don't know the suffer where these people, where the suffer was Facebook. Anybody where you see in this Facebook, where they talk about Biafra, where they talk about Nnamdi, where they talk and well, Oga, respect that person. Respect that person. All these content creators, they no one put them for their page. Because they know so if they don't talk them, then Facebook will shut their page down. They will not get monetization money. But we, they talk them. Not because I get money, not because I get everything, but I still talk them. Some people tell me to stop talking about Biafra, stop talking about all this Nigerian government issue, so that my page will be monetized, so that Facebook will start paying me. So Facebook will pay me when my brothers, my sisters have been slaughtered on a daily basis. I will keep quiet because of money. I will keep quiet because of Facebook monetization, where my people have been slaughtered, burning their houses in Imo State, burning their shops, slaughtering them, burning their house in Enugu, in Ebonyi State, slaughtering them. And as I have the platform to come out here to tell the world what is happening, and I will keep quiet because of Facebook monetization. Anybody that you see on Facebook talking about Biafra, okay, respect that person. If you have something, call that person on phone, send them money. I'm telling you the truth. I know the people. I know the people where me and them open Facebook, where you know they talk anything that concern Biafra freedom. They focus on content, creating something to make money. They will not bring anything called Biafra on their platform, because when they bring it, Nigeria government will report their page. Their page will shut down. But God is helping us. So if you are in 30 of this month, we are remembering our brothers, our sisters that have been slaughtered by the Nigeria government, sponsored by Britain, United Kingdom. I want you to know that war never ended. War is still happening in Nigeria. War is still going on in Nigeria. War is still going on in this country called Nigeria. Our fathers make mistake. Our forefathers made the mistake. If they know that their children will slaughter millions of Igbos, do you know how many millions of Igbos open in the Biafran war? Do you know how many millions of Igbos they slaughtered in Biafran war? Millions. Do you know what is called 1 million people? Do you know what is called 2 million people? Hi, my brother, go to stadium. If you go to stadium, you see how many people waited for stadium. Like 60,000 people, 50,000 people. You will see crowd. Do you know what it means? Only 60,000 people in a stadium. 2 stadium like 100, but 500,000 people, 1 million people. Do you know how many people they slaughtered in Igbo land? If these our brothers, our sisters slaughtered in Biafran war, if they still, if say this Biafran war not happen, do you know how many population where Igbos go there today? And they seize our money, give our fathers other 20 pounds. They seize all their monies, give them 20 pounds. All the millionaires, all the billionaires, them seize all their money, give them small change, so that Igbos will pour. This is what our fathers passed through in Biafran war. As I said before, that if this Biafran war no happen, do you know that we will have more celebrities in Igbo land here? I get more celebrities that are playing football. I get many content creators. There are many content creators that you're supposed to know today, but they are not more alive. Their papa and mama supposed to, their father who's supposed to born them have been slaughtered in Biafran war. There are many people, faces you're supposed to know on this Facebook, but you don't see them, you don't know them, because their father that's supposed to born them have been slaughtered by Nigeria government, sponsored by Britain. Rich people, celebrities, musicians, content creators, all of them that we're supposed to know today, but they are nowhere to find, because they have been slaughtered their father who's supposed to give the birth to them in the Biafran war. These people, but yeah, they were. Only prayer I pray is that God, please separate this country called Nigeria the way it was before Britain come to join us together. Separation. Let me end this message here. I will end it here. Brothers and sisters, keep on pushing. All the people that are talking about Biafra on social media, keep on talking what we are talking. Don't give up. Keep on. And if you are an Igbo man or woman, look for a way to fight at this battle. And let's have our freedom. Because the persecution and the trials, the persecution in this Igbo land is too much. The persecution is too much. It's too much. Peter Obi won election. But because of Peter Obi is an Igbo man, they no go give him. They no go give him. They no go give him. That is why you're telling me one Nigeria. Can you tell me the minimum of one Nigeria? Can you tell me the minimum of one Nigeria? Peter Obi will won election. And they no say if Peter Obi win, come, Peter Obi go do well. Because of Peter Obi as an Igbo man, they don't give him. That time when Peter Obi they go court, I support Peter Obi, make him win, but they don't give him. That's why they talk say, if Peter Obi like it, make him go to the world court. They no go give him that seat. Because Britain that colonized us is the first people. Rishi Sunak, the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, he is the first person that sent congratulation message to Tinubu after the league election. They know what they are doing. If people be like, make it go to Asrock, carry broom, they sweep the Asrock, they clean chairs in Asrock, they no give him that seat because he is an Igbo man. One Nigeria. May God help us in this country.